wakes us up every morning. Look at that. Every morning. Now we don't have to go to work. Hi, Zoe. Mind you, we just woke up.
Good morning, Zoe.
Hi, Skinny. You're a happy pink Skinny. What are you doing, Skinny Bird? Hi, Zoe.
Good morning to you, Zoe.
Zoe, did you get out of your cage? Now she's gonna try to get underneath Daddy's chin. Right, Skinny? Hi, Zoe.
Not anymore, because she's in front of the camera now. She has to perform.
You're a superstar, huh? Look at you! You have a very long neck. What are you doing? Hey, quit that. Quit eating. Hey, you don't chew the camera. You don't chew the cord of the camera.
Come here, Stinker.
What are you doing?
The camera's more important, I guess.
Zoe, leave the camera alone. Look at you. Can you cheat for the camera or something? You like your close-ups, huh? Oh, don't bite. Come here. Come here. Come on. No. Feel my butt. Come here. Good boy. Good Skinny.
Good boy.
Yeah, sorry. Reflex. Every morning. Right, Zoe? You really like the camera, huh?
She loves the camera.
Zoe, let the camera go. Okay, that's enough. That's enough, Zoe. Let the Zoe.